Pluto Gets the Call by Adam Rex. Illustrations by Lori Keller. Solar System Fun Facts. Meet my fellow dwarf planets, Ceres, Eris, Makemake, and Haumea. Our solar system formed almost 4.6 billion years ago. Neptune. I orbited the sun in 49,000 days once, but boy, did my back pay for it. Mercury. I have no moons or rings, but I have a winning smile, don't you think? Saturn. You're my favorite dwarf planet, Pluto. Mars. Fact. Saturn has a crush on Pluto. Uranus. Ooh, if I can get 3 more moons, I'll win a free t-shirt. They're facts for now, but science changes all the time. Whoa! Did Jupiter just get a new moon? Venus. Sol is the Latin word for sun. That's how our solar system got its name. Earth. The planets, other planets, were named after Greek and Roman gods, but I was named after the ground. Jupiter. I have more mass in my little finger than Earth has in her whole body. Whatever I'm called, I'll always be Pluto. A note from the author. When I was a kid, there were 9 planets, and every list of them ended with Pluto, the little planet farthest from the sun. Pluto was discovered by an amateur astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh in 1930. It was named by 11-year-old Venetia Burney, whose librarian grandfather knew how to get her suggestion to Clyde. At the time, most everyone agreed it was a planet. But planet is just a word, and like any word, it only means what we all agree it means. And if we all agree it means a round object that orbits the sun, then there's a problem. Because astronomers have recently discovered other objects that orbit the sun and are just as round as Pluto. Should they be called planets too? Would 12 planets be okay? What if I told you that astronomers are learning more about our solar system every day, and there might be as many as 200 of these objects? Some people might like 200 planets. Maybe you're one of those people. But in 2006, astronomers decided on a new definition of the word planet. It must orbit the sun, it must be round, and it should clear the neighborhood around its orbit. That last bit just means that the planet's gravity ought to either pull smaller objects closer in or throw them out of the way. Pluto is round and orbits the sun, but it has a crowded orbit, so it isn't a planet anymore. Today, the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. People used to say there were 23 planets. Then they decided there were 9. Now there are 8. Science is always learning just like you. And sometimes it's stubborn, but science will always change its mind when it's time. That's what makes it strong, and it's waiting for kids like you to teach it something new.